So
By the way, let's find let's go there. Let's find our base. So yeah, we didn't even get started for our base, but it's okay.
you know that the bunk bed is the safest one?
Yeah, because that's literally the fastest
Yeah.
base ever.
Yeah. We need some medikits. Wait, let me put it right here first. I'm gonna get some medikits.
Okay. Let's go.
Are we supposed to speak in Tagalog?
I don't know. May pwede naman mag-English, pero kung magtatagalog ka, okay lang. So, kung naiintindihan naman nyo naman kami, okay lang. Kung hindi nyo kami naiintindihan, basta.
How will they know what you're saying if you're speaking in the Philippine language? What if they're in America and they don't speak Tagalog?
Mga Tagalog kasi yun nag-ano dito. So, yeah. Magagawa tayong backpacks. So, yeah.
My inventory is full.
Let's go. My inventory is full also. Come on.
We need protection. Should I get a carpet?
Yeah.
Should we do the other time where we build a base with a 3-floor?
Yeah.
There's there's a base here. There's food. I will not loot this because my inventory is full.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Basta marunong ka bumusta.
Okay.
Basta magtagalog ka lang. Okay? Oh, ayun guys. Hindi siya marunong magtagalog kaya ano na lang, konti-konti na lang siya magtatagalog, okay?
They already know that, and I don't know if they already know that, but it's true that I didn't see. Oops, I accidentally
Yun,
threw.
malapit na tayo yan. Tara na. Yun na.
Yay!
Uy, nakikita ko yung carpet mo. Uy, huwag kang tumalon.
May base na
This is
dito.
our base.
May base na dito. Gusto ko meron
Ano yung manguha ng base?
meron isa dito. Meron dito.
Ay, sige. Nasaan ka ba? Nag-stuck ako.
Hubert is here. I'm gonna stand on him.
Si Mr. Hubert.
Yeah.
Medyo magdahan-dahan kasi merong employee dun sa taas. Baba ko muna tong iyong
There's an employee upstairs. I don't know why, but it's glitched. Should we do it right here?
Yeah, but I'm gonna prepare our basta gagawa na tayo ng ating mini base first para pag kunyari ay merong parang tao or employee ay dito tayo, okay? Okay?
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna build their mini base.
Gagawa ka ng base?
Mini base.
O, sige.
If you don't understand us, we can make another version but only English. Because Strawberry na Pink doesn't know that much how to speak English, but she knows how to speak Tagalog.
Wow!
Yeah.
You thought I don't know how to speak English?
Yeah, sometimes you make mistakes about English. I don't think you really know how to.
Because I'm kinda...
You're born in the Italy, but you're born in Milano, which is a place in Italy. But you're still a Filipino.
Yeah, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Pag hindi nyo siya naiintindihan, okay lang yan, guys. Basta, i-translate nyo yung video na to.
They will put the captions. Is that called? Did I say it right? I don't know. Just
Maybe.
there's a thingy that you press the button and then it will translate. If you don't speak Tagalog, which is the Philippine language.
Bakit nandito si Mr. Employee?
Hindi ko alam. Nasaan na ang base natin?
Ito, ginagawa ko pa itong stairs. Kung anong... subscribe kayo sa aming channel. Kasi gusto namin parang gumawa sa mga ibang sport, pero hindi namin alam kung anong, alam.
There's Hubert here. I can
Wala
see.
tayong lights.
I will get the lights.
No, Yani.
Malapit lang dito, ha?
Oo nga, asan yung base? Yung itang...
Itag.
Wait, yan. Para makita natin. Okay.
May
Si
base dito.
Mr. Hubert.
Hubert.
Oh, okay. Come on. May tag doon. Papaya ay
Papaya.
strawberry.
Strawberry na red. Strawberry na white. Strawberry na black.
Kasi kami muna, sasabihin po muna namin ay kami po muna ay duo. Kasi wala si strawberry na white. Kaya, ako.
Yeah, I just saw an employee.
What?
I just saw an employee. Get in the base.
No, wait. I'm making, gagawa ko ng, doon, base. Dito. Ito, harangan natin to para hindi makapasok sila para, there's an employee! May employee!
Did you just push him?
Her.
It's a girl?
Yeah?
No, that's more like a boy body.
Wait, where are you, girl?
I'm here.
Where?
In the base.
Inside?
Yeah?
Why did you don't let me in? Let me in! Papasukan mo ako, girl. Wait lang, girl. Okay. I need to crouch. May food ka?
Meron.
O, sige, ako din. Ay, 10 food lang pala nakuha. Ba't mo pinatay? Ano ba yan? Ay, yan eh. Okay. Maka-record. Oy! Okay, so guys, pwede yan i-stop muna.
Bakit? Hindi pwede.
Ay! So guys, pe-play po namin po ulit ito pag
When we finish our base,
yeah, pag nag-morning na pala guys, pag nag-morning,
we're gonna do
the base. Okay.
yeah.
So,
If you
see
want,
you later, guys.
if you want, you can skip this part. But you can skip this
Yeah.
night part. And we're just gonna do random things. Bye.
Stop! Okay guys, so it's morning and nalabas na kami.
Okay, get it.
Uy, miss night tayo.
Is that an employee with hair?
What?
Oh, I thought it was an employee.
With a what?
Hair.
Is there an employee has a face?
Meron base dito, madaming food. Sa taas.
Saan? Dito. Ah. Sige. Wala naman nakatira guys, so pwede yan. Wala naman kami konti kasi wala na kami food.
I will get bunk bed for more
Ito,
protection.
ang daming food. Buka lang tayo.
Yeah, that's the place with madaming place.
Okay. Pero ang ganda naman itong base na kasi.
Sa
Kasi
taas.
kinuha nila yung pants namin. Kaya, let's go. Hello, Mr. Hubert. Hubert. Maglalagay ako ng guard. Yani.
Yung videos ko, it's all, lahat English.
Eh, hindi ka kasi marunong, hindi ka kasi nagtatagalog.
Because I wasn't in the Philippines yet. So how will I know, how will I even know how to speak Tagalog if my videos are all English? I don't use it because I don't really know how to speak Tagalog. bed base. May TV tayo sa taas. TV? TV.
So guys, yan, nandito kami and kasi kaya po ganito pa po yung base namin kasi server kasi hindi pa po ito private server kasi wala pa po ako Robux. Pag po nakabili na, magpa-private server na po kami.
With strawberry na white.
Yeah. Pero minsan po kasi pag kami nagbi-video, wala po kasi si strawberry na white kasi may tutor po siya. Dahil na kung bakit siya pa nag-tutor, smart na naman yun. Pero parang po, mamaya, anong oras na? Okay, 9:22. So, ang pasok ni Franchi ay 10. Ang labas niya ay 11. So, simulan na po namin itong face na to.
And our skin is sticky. Okay, may...
Kahit po nag-i-English po siya, hindi po siya maarte. Kasi po, ganyan po yung karakter niya. Kasi, di ba po yung minsan po yung mga karakter nila ay ayaw nilang paltan. Skin kasi pangit ko. Pero siya, hindi siya maarte. Kaya, gusto niya. Pero kung
Look, we can slide under. Can we crouch? No. We slide. But what if I don't have any energy? So I'm gonna put a teeny tiny right here.
So,
Yan.
ay, oh my God, dahil sasabihin ko.
Hindi ha.
So, just like po kayo dyan. Pero pwede naman po dito sa gilid. Pwede po dito sa gilid or dito.
Ay,
Pumunta na. Nagpunan din tayo. Birds, Mr. Birds.